show you how to spin a coin without touching it. For this we need glasses or jars of same size, magnets, metal ruler, safety pin, and a coin. Keep the roller on the top of the glass. Then the magnet. Then the safety pins. And the last coin. Then blow slowly with a straw. It's very nice. Oh, it's spinning. If you like my videos, subscribe.